Hello everyone, I am Dr. Regina, Principal of CSA Bishop New Begin College of Education, going to impart knowledge on the core paper Knowledge and Curriculum, Unit 4, Nationalism, Universalism, Secularism, with reference to Rabindranath Tagore and Jiddu Krishnamurti. In this session, you will be gaining knowledge on nationalism with reference to Rabindranath Tagore. Nationalism. An inspiring quote from Rabindranath Tagore: "For what are obstacles to the lower creatures or opportunities to the higher life of man?" The meaning of nationalism. Nationalism is loyalty and devotion to a nation, or the desire of a group of people who share the same race, culture, language, etc. to form an independent country is said to be nationalism. In other words, a feeling of love or pride for our own country, a feeling that our country is better than any other, is a way of thinking that says that some groups of humans, such as ethnic groups, should be free to rule themselves. It can be also defined as identification with one's own nation and support for its interests, especially to the exclusion or detriment of the interests of other nations. Concept of nationalism. Nationalism is an ideology and movement that promotes the interest of a particular nation, as in a group of people, especially with the aim of gaining and maintaining the nation's sovereignty, that is, self-governance, over its homeland. It also encourages pride in national achievements and is closely linked to patriotism. It seeks to preserve and foster a nation's traditional culture, and cultural revivals have been associated with nationalist movement. The belief that the nation is the central principle of political organization. It is a mental achievement of the people towards a nation. It involves being prepared to defend one's nation, working for its prosperity and promoting of its interests and values. Is a modern political idea behind the existence of countries in the world today. Nationalism advocated the right of people who define themselves as nations to establish their own independent states. Let's see what are the celebrations. Independence Day celebration, Republic Day celebration, National Youth Day, National Tourism Day, National Science Day, National Vaccination Day, National Sports Day, National Unity Day, National Consumer Day. Thus, nationalism spreads when people begin to believe that they are all part of the same nation, when they discover some unity that binds them together. Nationalism with reference to Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is a good nationalist leader, poet, artist, writer, philosopher, dramatist, painter, educationalist, and he has contributed enormously in the field of education. His poetry like Manasi, Sonar, Gitanjali, Kittimalaya, Balaka, Gardener, Fruit Gathering, The Fugitive, Play like The King of the Dark Chamber, The Post Office, The Immovable, The Waterfall, The Red Oleander, short stories like novels Gora, The Home and the World, Cross Currents, his drawings, paintings, two autobiographies, travel diaries, essays, musical dramas, dance, dramas, etc. Abode of Welfare, the institution Santiniketan, for elementary to high school level Path Bhavan, rural reconstruction, it became a university. Vishwa Bharati he established and it has 8 institutions: Vidya Bhavan, languages, philosophy, literature, culture; China Bhavan, language, religion, philosophy of China; Bala Bhavan Fine Arts and Crafts, Sangeet Bhavan Music and Dancing, Hindi Bhavan Hindi Language, Adhipak Siksha Bhavan Training Institute for Teacher, Rabindra Bhavan Gurudev Tagore. Tagore's thoughts on nationalism and education has 8 subheadings: goals, philosophy, dimensions, teacher's role, content and curriculum, methods of teaching, and finally, activities and occupation. Goals of education is to produce holistic individuals through interaction and integration with the environment. Tagore's philosophy of educations are naturalism and humanism, principles of freedom, principles of creative self-expression, active communication with nature and man, nature as a great teacher, a naturalist. According to him, the dimensions of development of the learners are as follows: physical development, intellectual development, spiritual development, harmonious development, utilitarian development, development of harmony between individual and society. According to him, the content and curriculum of educations are: the curriculum should enable a man to live a spiritual and an ideal life. It stresses on eternal values like truth, goodness, beauty. Truth includes humanities, language, social sciences, physical sciences, and mathematics. Goodness includes ethics, metaphysics, religion. And the beauty includes art, poetry, and literature. According to him, the role of teachers. Teachers must carry out all the activities they are as demonstrators. Teachers should behave with students with a great love and affection, sympathy and affection. Teachers encourage students with constructive activities, provide conducive environment. Teachers should be always a motivator of the students' creative capacities. Teachers must understand the students totally and their potentials to maximize their abilities. Teachers are as a skilled facilitator and disseminator of knowledge. Teachers has to show commitment and responsibility for tasks assigned. According to him, the methods of teaching are lecture method, narration method, explanation method, questioning method, discussion method, practice and repetition, that is drilling, reflective thinking, contemplation, Shravana thinking method, Manava reflection method, Nididhyasana contemplation method, teaching while traveling method, debate, active based heuristic method, playway method, observation method, experimentation method, learning by doing method, self-education method, and self-efforts method. According to him, the activities and occupation of educations are dancing, dramatics, music, games and sports, drawing and painting, excursions, agriculture and gardening, regional study, laboratory work, social services and physical. Real legacy is the cultural heritage of the whole community and community services. The concluding remarks of Rabindranath Tagore on nationalism is: education should seek to develop sensitivity in a child through a direct experience of nature when his or her consciousness is at its freshest level, or well right from the beginning when they are very young. Let me summing up now whatever you have learned from this unit. Meaning of nationalism. concept of nationalism, nationalism with reference to Rabindranath Tagore, contribution, goals, his philosophy, teacher's role, dimension, content and curriculum, teaching methods, activities and occupation, finally conclusion. I hope you have learnt nationalism with reference to Rabindranath Tagore in the unit 4. Don't forget to share the knowledge you have learnt. Next video, we will learn nationalism with reference to G.T. Krishnamurti. Thank you. Happy learning.